12 apostles. Thomas was not only clear-headed but brave. During the winter, Jesus was forced out of Jerusalem for his teachings. Now Jesus and his apostles were aware that he is returned, and perhaps he would be killed. A few months later, the word came, Jesus' great friend Lazarus gave him ill. The message spoke illness, but Jesus knew by the time he arrived, Lazarus was already dead. Yet Jesus prepared to go to his friend Bethany, some 2 miles from the city, Jerusalem, regardless of risks to himself. Alarmed, the apostles argued against it, why go and reason it if Lazarus is dead? If Thomas, who rallied the others, insisted to let us go, they were right there with him. Thomas is not a man of doubt, but of great courage and loyalty. There were several apocryphal works that they have circulated under Thomas' name. There was such much written in his fearless angelical work, for speculation about his extensive missionary travels and others of the 12. The Church of the East in Nigeria traces successions of the bishops also back to Thomas. Western India claims him the founder of early Christian church. Lord, can you hear his work? Judas and Matthias. Holy Scripture tells us that Jesus knew both Peter and Judas 𝒲𝒶𝓉𝓇𝒻𝒶𝓁𝓁 would betray him. Yet Peter repented and receiving forgiveness went on to lead the apostles in the ministry ahead of Jesus' Christian church. But Judas, though he too later regretted his crime against his master, could not bring himself to seek mercy from the one he betrayed. Instead, to consume the guilt and grief, he took his own life, and thus condemning himself to hell. The Gospels give clue to his treachery, suggesting only that the betrayer had come to be possessed by evil. Sanity, Satan, the tragic events unfolded in this way. At the time of Passover feast, the crowds of the city streets of Jerusalem hailed Jesus a prophet. Then Halfdead came in as a prophet of this motherfucking substance to be used and abused by the public. Throwing stones my way to only be ashamed as a person like this motherfucking deformity. Touch the cross, I will conform to your motherfucking conforming days, to your screaming orgies. I won't bow my head to the authorities. I spit radioactive, radical catechism, mixed in with my own atheism, Satanism. Doing my own thing, and cause I don't believe in anything anymore. It's hard, but I know there's a God, man. I'm banging on his door. And big, please, you can bless my ear with your holy water. I feel like I'm sinking into fire.